Time to move some cars out of the way and get the F250 up on the lift. Not that I can't probably do this on my back because the truck's kind of high, but you know, if I have a lift sitting right here, why not just stand up and do it? Why you lay on my back? So here we go, let's get it done. Alright, I'm ready to throw this thing up on the lift, but first, let me start it, rev the engine up a little bit, let you hear the stock exhaust, then I'll put the new one on, and we'll see what that sounds like. That's the best I can do right now. Alright, here we go, stock exhaust. Alright, let's slap this exhaust on and see what it sounds like. Alright, while I get this thing down here prepped, I think I gotta cut like 16 inches off of the straight pipe to match this truck. Let's take a look at this stock stuff. It looks like it's probably 3 inches stock. I don't know. Maybe it's 4. But we're gonna attach right here, go up over the top, come over there, pop out. First thing we wanna do is get some WD-40 on these. Get all up in there so we can get this thing out. Let that soak for a little while. I do this. Tip gonna be right over here. And this one right here. This one right here, I'm gonna have to cut about 16 inches off of it per the instructions because I got the short bed. Shouldn't be that big of a deal. I got tools for it. What a nice cut. Thank you, Banks, for making my life so difficult. I had to cut one piece of pipe. Man, this is hardcore work right here, I'll tell you what. Look at that, nice straight. Is out. All right, with everything off, here's what we got. We got the factory exhaust to the left, Banks to the right. So what we have over there is a 3.5 inch pipe, and what we have here is a 5-inch pipe. So probably gonna sound a little different. Gonna have to steal these little rubber pieces from here and put them on there. Hang it up, bolt it up. This thing's probably almost done. Put the little bung back in the bung hole, fire it up. Pretty easy. good. Gotta put this thing up in there now. I think we got it. We're good to go. Let's lower this thing down. All right. See what we're doing. We got clearance over there. We got clearance right here. This shouldn't be hitting right here at all. Everything looks good. All we gotta do now is start it up. Sound good, Kay?
Yep.
It's quiet, but I can hear the turbos more. We'll see how it sounds on the road. Now I was planning on doing this cool little video showing what it sounds like on the inside with how loud it is. I didn't expect it to be loud, but I did think it would have like a little bit more of a rumble. It's actually kind of quiet. So this video from the inside of the cab isn't gonna be that awesome. But this is what it sounds like basically in here. Probably can't hear nothing. Actually, up at these higher speeds, feels like I can feel a difference. I don't know. Who knows? I mean, that's just me kind of getting on it a little bit. Nothing wild at all. That's pretty quiet, huh?
It's got a little rumble.
Seems kind of quiet. I can hear the turbos a little bit more. So what did it sound like when I took off? Was it good or what?
It had like a little rumble to it.
You can hear it a little bit?
Yeah.
Well, everything seems to be working well. I like it. It's nice. A lot quieter than I thought it was going to be. I thought I was going to have more of a rumble than that. But that's okay because I didn't do any kind of a delete. All my stuff is still intact. This is California CARB approved. It's legal. It's not attracting any special attention. But they do say inside of the manual, inside the spec sheet, that it does have some benefits. It's not just a pipe. I mean, it is kind of just a pipe, but the way that the tip is set up is supposed to do something, it's supposed to help you in some way. But it does look good on there, I'll tell you that. Next up is the programmer. I'm gonna start working on that probably tomorrow or the next day. And then I got the air intake already ordered. It's gonna be here probably in another, I don't know, a couple weeks or something like that. They're working on it. It's a brand new one that's legal in California as well. So that's what we're waiting for. The intake, I've already got the programmer. We'll plug that thing in, we'll get the A-pillar hooked up, and we'll see what kind of power we can make out of this thing. Until then, thanks for getting sweaty with me, and I'm out of here.